Hey guys, so I like to find deals on dash cams because I think everybody should have a dash cam. And as budget dash cams go, if you can get up to around the $50 mark, 50, 60 bucks, this one is not bad. I've been running one of these in my daughter-in-law's car, and for the last, I don't know, 8 months, and it's held up well. It survived the summer heat, and so I've ordered another one. This one is actually going in James's car. Let me open it up here for you guys so you can see what comes in it. Okay, so when you open it up, here is the owner's manual, and it's reasonably well written. Okay, we have this foam stuff. I'm actually going to glue that to one of my cameras to silence the wind noise. All right, so here's the camera. We'll get to that in just a second. Let me show you what else comes with it. Okay, it's got the mount that goes on your windshield. Now the trend in dash cams right now for mounts is magnetic mounts. This one doesn't have that, it's a mechanical mount. These are little clip things that stick to your window to hold the wire out of the way. Comes with a USB adapter, and then there's the power cable, which has a USB on the end of it. There is also an option on the camera for a plug-in GPS module. Let me get this open here. I'm working with one hand, so you have to forgive me if I'm a little slow. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on, Alvin. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so here's what the camera looks like. One of those plugs is for power, right there. One of them is for, I don't know what, and the other is for GPS module. Okay. It's got a little screen on it, and it actually mounts on your windshield like that. And then the camera lens is adjustable. See? Now it's got a 170-degree camera lens, so it actually gets pretty good coverage. Nothing else on the box. There we go. There's the product code. There's their address. Yes, it's made in China. Seems like everything's made in China these days, doesn't it? I was looking for the model number. I believe it is DO. Hold on, let me look at the instruction manual here, see if it's listed there. It is not. So the only other thing you need for this is there's a slot on the side right there for an SD card. You need an SD card up to 128 gigs, and it needs to be get the best SD card you can get. So I'll get some footage, and after we get this installed in James's car, I'll get some footage and upload so you guys can see. But the footage I've seen so far is actually pretty decent. So hope you guys find this useful, and I'll put a link to this camera, an eBay link, and of course you can find them on Amazon as well. They're actually pretty common. Like I said, again, they're in the $50 to $60 range. And as cheap dash cams go, this one's actually pretty decent. That's it, guys. Y'all be safe, and I will see you again soon.